The Career Readiness Academy, which was organized by Impact on Education, really gave students the opportunity to look past high school and giving them kind of a after-school experience that contributes to what they'll eventually do after school when they're done. It really gave them that experience, that connection with community members, and really brought in outside resources to the benefit of our kids.
The Career Readiness Academy was a valuable experience to me. It taught me things that I hadn't really learned that much in a regular school basis.
I want to be a biologist because I think it's interesting.
I didn't really know what a resume was beforehand, so I kind of learned what that was and how to make a good one. It's helped me better find my purpose and better understand what I want to do in the future compared to in the past where I was a little more uncertain about that.
I learned so much about how to behave in an interview. My speaking skills increased a lot. The resume building really helped me take a deep look at myself and think about what I'm good at, which was really good for my confidence. All of the volunteers were fantastic. They taught me so much. They've helped me better understand my path to becoming an engineer, which is my dream job.